Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Isolved Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then search Isolved Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Logins option. Click on it or go to www.isolvedhcm.com. Then in the middle of your screen you can see scroll to login area. Click on it. Then click to Isolved Login. It will then redirect you to a login page. There enter your username, then click to next. Then again enter your password, then you should be able to access your Isolved Payroll. To make login easier for next time, click to remember my username. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.